It's Glitch. I'm here at the school grounds I normally go to, first time of the year. It's a beautiful day, and thought I'd go out and fly my quads. Got actually two here that I still have yet to fly. One was just built. The other one is one that I built late last year and just never got to get it out and fly it. So anyway, here we go. First one, number one, is this one here. That's the rooster, all ready and built, ready to go. It's got the GoPro on it already. And the second one, let me get it out here real quick. This is my old Martian frame from when I first started flying last year. That's the Martian. And I got a new flight controller on it and everything, new motors, new well, it's a 4-in-1 ESC. And still have not maidened it, so I got two maidens to do today. And let's just get out there and do some flying. Hey everybody, I'm back again. So I want to kind of tell you my thoughts on my Maiden with both of these quads. Excuse me. Anyway, so I Maiden this one first. This is the Rooster, and it did pretty well. I do notice that some of the controls are a little looser because I'm just working on all the stock settings on Betaflight. And you know, it's a little looser. I usually put a little bit of expo in, and I can tell it definitely has no expo. The other thing is I possibly might be getting some brownouts because of my VTX being a 5-volt. It might be eating up some of that current. I'm not sure, but definitely this one will definitely be a better flying quad once I get it tuned in and everything. This one is running race flight with the Bolt ESCs. And I do like it. Stock settings, and it runs smooth. Everything is real responsive, real nice. That is my first race flight build, and to be honest, I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. I like it a lot. Is it gonna convert me from Betaflight to race flight? No, I'm not. I don't stick to one thing like that. Like, if it works, that's great. And they both work. That's how it works for me. I said work. Let's just say it one more time. Work. Anyway, it works for me. Got a little drippy on my nose. It's a little cold out here. So, I don't know. As of right now, the race flight build is running a little better because it's locked in a little better than, you know, it's up to where my feel is on the sticks. The other one is just a little loose. I noticed when I would do right rolls, left rolls, it was a little jumpy. And like I said, I'm not sure if that's just, you know, it doing, what do you want to call it, like a brownout. I'm not sure because it was jumping. It was really jumpy. And I like quick movements, but I like them smooth. And it definitely wasn't smooth. It was sloppy as hell. So that's my first thoughts on maidening both of these. I'm probably going to take the race flight build up one more time, the Martian, and call it a day. So enjoy the footage. Well guys, I think that's all for now. I hope you liked the last flight. I don't know. It was a lot of fun. Definitely learned some things. I definitely realized that being out all winter, not flying, definitely takes a hit on your skill. Skill's definitely not there anymore. Not that I was real skilled I'm still doing a lot of crashing, but I feel like a beginner all over again. But this is my second season into the hobby and everything, and getting some enjoyment out of it. It's a beautiful day. Check it out. Beautiful day.
An avocado thing. I'm a giraffe.
Yeah, so I brought the family with me. Only got one at home that wouldn't come out. But it's been a great day. Yeah, the kids were out skateboarding, and girlfriend was talking to her son on the phone, and I was flying my quads. So happy Sunday to everybody else, and get out there and fly, man. I was checking the weather today, and it looks like winter's pretty much gone. I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping the weatherman's right, because it looks like all next week, all in the 50s. Can't complain about that. Other than that, glitch out. Have a good one, guys.